Well, basically, I just want to mention that Funnelkit will be launched on December 11th. So if you're what December 11th, 2013. So if you're watching this, later on, or maybe in 2014 even. So I just want to say it was launched then, and Funnelkit is, it's heavily updated every single day. So we are just getting a lot of feedback. We're just implementing new ideas. So this is not one of those products that you purchase and you never get any support or you never get any upgrades. Upgrades will be there. We will be trying to keep up with the competition and actually be like we are now, ahead of the competitors, and we will try, always, do that. We have, huge plans for the funnel kit. We want to, expand this and move off the WordPress, not only be, a plugin, but actually, create a system, platform that, you can build pretty much any pages with it. We have so many crazy ideas, but we just thought that first of all, let's launch, Funnelkit, because otherwise we will not launch it, won't ever launch it if we will just keep adding new ideas over and over and over again. So instead, we will just give you, great functioning product, and then you will get an updates. So, we have a lot of ideas, like I've said, and this is gonna be really exciting. Plenty of stuff to be added.
Absolutely. So this is going to be actual evergreen product that you're going to keep on improving. You're going to give whoever purchases this updates to the product as it goes, so they haven't got any worries on that part.
Yeah, that's the plan that we have right now. If WordPress will change dramatically, if they change their engine dramatically, we might close Funnelkit, to actually improve it, but so far there are no plans from WordPress that they're going to do this. The version 4.0 is quite far away, so by that time, probably, like I've said, we probably will move off a standalone platform, so you can create either WordPress pages or HTML pages. We have this this idea of producing a solid marketing page builder that would have an affordable price, and you would not have to pay outrageous monthly fees, or you would not be limited with only like 3 templates. We want to give you the ability to bring your vision to life, and don't leave your wallet empty.
I'm going to put Emka on the spot now. Right, we've spoken all about the funnels and that, and I know your time is very short and it's full, and you're looking forward to producing it. What's the chances of you coming back and doing some demonstrations for us on the Hangout, so people can sort of see how it works?
You want to do it right now?
If you can, because as I say, this wasn't planned, I know, but if you're quite comfortable in doing that, then yeah. If that's okay with you, John?
That'd be fine.
Sure. Actually, just a little side note that, I'm gonna log into the development server. So as we speak, developers are actually programming it. So now I'm gonna, use some swear words. So if there will be any HTML tags open or some loose jQuery script, it might not function properly, but we will try to do to see our best.
You can't get any more live than this.
Yeah,
I know
exactly.
I'll put you on the spot, but if you don't feel comfortable in doing it, then don't. But if you're happy, we're happy.
Yeah, it would be cool. People would get a great look at how it works. And it doesn't have to be like extensive, but just even a little feel would be great.
Okay, just let me see whether I remember my WordPress login details. Yep, I'm inside.
Okay.
So how do I share the screen? This is really unplanned.
It is really unplanned. It's screen share is just down from the chat on the left-hand side.
Okay, the green one. Okay.
Yeah.
But make sure that you open it up in a different window, because otherwise you'll get the tunnel of death where that will keep repeating itself.
Oh, okay.
But don't worry if it happens. We'll get you out of it.
Exactly.
Okay, desktop Google Hangouts dashboard. Correct. Got it.
There it is.
That's it. You're good to go. We can see it now. You probably won't be able to see what's we're seeing, but we can tell you as we go on.
We're in
What
your
we look-
WordPress dashboard. Yep.
Okay, so this is the WordPress dashboard. As you can see, it's pretty clean, and we have the funnel kit right here. Now, this is just view pages where you can see all the pages that you've created. You can import pages, you can export them. But I'm actually gonna go into the actual page builder. Let's go to add new. And as you can see, this is really step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 manner. We just wanted to make as simple as it can get. And 2 out of 6 steps are actually optional. You don't have to use them. So almost falls into step 1, 2, 3 page building. So on the first step, you just select the background image, or if you want to use, like we were talking about, the geographically targeted pages. If you want to have that, you can do it. I'm just gonna select dynamic. That means that it will use my IP address to locate where I live and create a page. If you use static, you can enter Google Maps URL, for example. Eiffel Tower. If you would enter Google Maps URL, it would show Eiffel Tower in the background. Okay, let's hit next. Now in this one, we can see the quick preview. It shows where I'm just gonna resize it real quick, so quick preview is not stepping over. Quick preview just shows what we are building, and in the step 2, we will be building the main container where we just put all the content of our squeeze page. So it's really again simple. You just enter a few values. By the way, in Funnelkit, the members area, there is a full training, of how to actually, use the software. So, real quick, I'm going to enter a few values without, going to the details, and I'm going to show you what will be the outcome of all this. Round borders. I'm going to from the right side. I'm just going to it takes you, once you build your first page, it becomes sort of a second nature to you, and you can build pages very quickly, literally in a matter of minutes.
Is there any default settings that you can keep once you're set this up, or any settings?
You can save the page, with your default settings if you would like that, and then you can copy it. You can clone the page and start building from existing pattern. We didn't really include any default settings, so because then you would have to delete them every time, and we just want to make the ability not to limit people with some settings, because usually they will use it. So we're just giving you the ability to use your own settings, just go from there. Okay, so next one. We are almost done, believe it or not, but we are almost done.
Step 4, I can see that.
This is a drag and drop editor. I'm just going to grab my text tool. Okay, and I'm going to enter some text. Live preview. Preview in, let's say, city. I'm not going to add a lot of text or my opt-in form right now. Just for the sake of the demonstration, I'm going to show you what it looks like. I'm going to make the text is white now, so that's why we can see it. We have really cool features like, as you can see, there are a lot of going on in this drag and drop editor, but you can just collapse it like this, and we have the text here that says preview in the city. So this is how your squeeze page will look like, or sales page. We are going to go to next. This is call out messages. This is really cool. I'm going to show you how it works. Going to make them blue, opacity, width, let's say 200 pixels, padding, just adding a few features really quick.
And as you say, all the training you've got in there, I take it it's videos plus PDFs, etc.?
No, it's a video training because, you can't learn really well from the PDF, in my opinion. So I just made a video training because I think that's that's the easiest way to learn it.
Yeah,
The
So
video was very good.
10 copies left. Delay 1. Okay, let's have something else. But hurry up. 7 copies left. And let's say hurry up. 3 copies.
So that's your urgency.
And the last thing is just final touch. Page name, let's say demo. Page title demo. We can have exit message, and this is really cool. This is not a regular exit message that you've used to, the plain JavaScript pop-up. This actually uses jQuery, so you can customize your exit message any way you want. So for example, I'm going to make it green with white text, and I can say, or black text. I can say something like, wait, don't go. I'm going to increase the size. Wait, don't go. Then I can have, for example, an image here. I can have, I'm just going to type in image, or YouTube video.
Yeah.
Buy now button. I can have all that. I can have, what else is there? Opt-in form. You can have anything you want in your exit pop-up, and pop-up can be closed or cannot be closed. I'm going to just check can be closed. And that's pretty much it. Let's see how this looks like. Save and close.
So like on the, sorry to interrupt, but on the exit pop-up, if you had another offer that you were going to make to them, you can actually divert them over to that page. So perhaps you cut some of the product out, say, and let them have it for a cheaper price.
Yeah, exactly. So I'm going to show you. This is a live page, so something may go wrong. But as you can see, now at the top, our callouts appear. It says hurry up, 10 copies left, 7 copies, 3 copies. This is on time base that we specified. So you can change the color, you can change everything. It says live preview in Vilnius. Vilnius is actually a variable. I'm living in Vilnius, so as you can see, it places Vilnius right here at the at the right-hand side of the screen. Callouts appear here. Oh, and this is our exit message that we've customized because I was hovering my mouse at the top here, so message appears. So I know it doesn't really look that professional because we did it in a couple of seconds everything, and it was just for the demonstration purpose. But with the Funnelkit, you can create pretty much anything you want, and with these customization options and with these geographical options, just imagine if you would have a CPA offer. Those CPA offers, for example, if enter your name and phone address, phone number to win an iPhone, right? So imagine of placing that form in this page, and it would say win an iPhone 5S in Vilnius, or something like that. So now it adds up another layer of trust, another layer of, for example, scarcity. It says like win an iPhone in Vilnius, and it's only available in Vilnius, Lithuania. So they would feel special, and that's why you can achieve greater conversions with this. With the call-out messages, for example, you can have, if it's a squeeze page, for some system, or let's say, or this is a video sales page, whatever, you can have call-outs appear testimonials. For example, after 1 minute, a testimonial could appear. After 1.5 minutes, another testimonial could appear, or something like that. Or you can have, video sales page, and you can have, call-outs appearing saying, a copy has been sold. Then after 1 minute, a copy has been sold, something like that. So you can have so many, really it's all up to your creativity of how you will use it, because there are so many customization options here that I'm blown away, because one guy on Facebook shared yesterday, he shared on Facebook a really great idea how you can use it. He said, go to Facebook, go to marketing groups, for example, internet marketing group, find all the guys that are there, then create a page with his name. So for example, I would create a page, hey John Padicek, I know that you live in, and then I would have a variable. So, and I would give this page to John, and if he would open it up, it would say, hey, and then the city appears in the background. So it feels kind of creepy, but at the same time, it really catches your attention.
It does.
So,
I was going to say, in fact, I think I saw after you came out with GeoOpt-in, a bunch of people wanting to do something similar, and I think you were really ahead of your time on that.
Well, to be honest, I haven't seen anyone implement, this technology in their plugins, and that's why I'm really happy about this. That I'm still ahead of the game, with this function, and it really makes Funnelkit one of its kind product, and that's why no one else can offer this, and that's why this is so awesome, and that's why geographical pages really work well until this day.
People have tried it, but not in the way that you have implemented it. So.
Well, it's really like I've said, this one this plugin is built for the marketers by the marketers, and we really spend a lot of time on it. So it's not just sort of the code programmer, like not there are programmers that you used to work with that really don't think about what they're doing. You only give them the documentation. They just code your plugin. They don't really want to make it better. They don't want to make it user friendly, etc. They just create the plugin and that's it. So we have a team of programmers that really not only do the work properly, but they put in their heart into what they're doing, and they're thinking how they can make it better. So we're just communicating with that team, and I think that we've built something really successful here.
Yeah, I would agree with that. I was going to say, if you're set with the demo part, if you want to hit reshare again, you'll come back.
I'm sorry?
I said if you're done with the demo part and to come back to the video.
Actually, you know what? I'm going to show you,
Oh, go ahead.
I'm going to drop, I'm actually going to drop in the chat the link that I just created. So I'm going to go back to, I'm going to stop off my screen sharing. Not sure how to do this.
There you are.
You're back.
Okay,
You're back.
Here. So what you can do, you can screen share and you can click on the same link. So people can see that this is not some mumbo jumbo, and that it really uses the geographical location, and it shows your city in the background.
That's a great idea. Just bear with me a second.
Of course, if you don't want to show where you live.
What jail is it?
Doesn't bother me at all.
Your secret headquarters.
My secret lair? Nah, no problem.
Hello, John. I'll share mine.
Okay. Yeah,
You see that?
Wait. Okay, so click click away from the light box.
There you go.
And as you can see, it shows London, in the background.
It shows London, and I'm going to try sharing mine. I've got it on the same exact screen that I'm on now, so it's probably going to be interesting for a second.
I'll come out with mine.
Okay, Ted's back.
And can you see mine?
Yep. We can see
There you go.
Yep. Or did.
So the city, on each city is obviously different shape, and different size. So in the background, you may see a part of the city, or like 1/3 of the city. It really depends on the size. For example, New York, it would be huge.
Take up the map, right?
When Vilnius is only like 20-minute drive from one point to another, so it's not that big.
Right.
So that's why we can see, bottle cap size city in the background.
I'm fairly close to Boston, but not that close, so it doesn't. And Boston's not a huge city, so just like Ted's fairly close to London.
That is, it's where the signal comes from, so that's why it's sort of picking up where it
Yeah.
did. Obviously, if I put it in myself, then it would be more to my area, but it's close enough.
Yeah, so what Funnelkit does, just uses the public database of IP addresses, and it locates where your IP address is registered. If
Yep.
your IP address is registered elsewhere, then that's not something what we can change. That's just a matter of database that we're using. So
Awesome. So we're at kind of that stage where I always come to like our final thoughts.
Yeah, but before that, John.
Ed's got a final. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah. Now, I know you're really, really excited about this product. As I say, this is the first time I was able to see the product on there. Now, I know you're backing this product and that. How about, and again, this isn't rehearsed and that because John's looking at me wondering what I'm going to say here. How about we put something together and if anybody wants to buy this under our affiliate link when it comes out. Have we got an affiliate link? I don't even know that.
I do have one.
Okay. How about if we put something together that will go hand in hand with this, which, probably Hangouts probably would come in with this, but we'll decide. If anybody wants to buy this through our link, we'll give them a really good bonus to it.
Yeah, like maybe you could come back and do a little hangout for us.
definitely.
That would be awesome. Because I know you can add so much to that, so that'd be great.
I'm up for doing a live hangout, for example, and just showing sort of the more ideas how we can use it. Because wow, like I've said, once people will get used to Funnelkit, like I've said, it will become second nature to them using it. Then I can step in with advanced ways and advanced ideas of how you can actually implement one or another thing, and how you can build gorgeous looking pages, because you can use it very simple way, just building one simple squeeze page, or you can use it to build a full stylish full width layouts for sales pages that you see that gurus use. So there's, like I've said, a lot of things that we can show, and I can definitely come back here. I would love to hang out with you.